Here I have Dongfeng Box, and let me show you how to enable parking lights on this device. So, at the very beginning, let me start by using the home screen. As you can see, this is the home screen of Dongfeng. Let's use the apps icon, the one located in the down right corner right here. Choose vehicle settings, so this one with the car. And as you can see, on the left tab, you've got light. Let's just tap it. And here under exterior lights, you've got the exterior lights control. Right now, I've got this setup for auto, so the car uses sensors to automatically turn on your lights. But you can choose the third option right here. This is like the parking mode. So turns on the small maker lights and tails lights used when parked on a dim road. In my case, let me keep it that way for a while, so right now I'm using the parking lights. Thank you for watching, please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.